my walking inside Olean Y, because in Bradford it's raining and snowy, so I decided to drive to Olean because they have this Y building inside walking path that you can walk inside the building, a walking path, especially when the weather is not that good or snowing. So yeah, I'm happy I was able to do my walking even if it's snowing outside. Yesterday I had my port removed, so I'll be having a 10-day vacation because of my port remove or sick leave, or so that my my surgery, my port remove surgery healed first before I go back to work. So I'm excited to have my 10 days out of work, sick leave, vacation, to enjoy, unwind, relax, and going back to Bradford, driving back home. It's busy today in the parking lot. Driving back home from Olean Y gym. I had fun walking inside the building because it's snowy outside and rainy, so I decided to drive a couple of minutes in the Y Olean so I can still do my walking.